Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to create 5 basic pie charts. First, select the data. You can create a pie chart from the Quick Analysis tool or the Insert tab. Let me show you how to use the Quick Analysis tool. Click on it, go to Chart, and you click on Pie Chart to insert it. But let's go to the Insert tab so we can take a look at the available pie chart. Here you can see the 2D pie chart, the 3D pie chart, and the donut pie chart. Let's start with the 2D pie chart. Select that. You can go to the Design tab to add finishing touches to the chart, or you use these icons right next to the chart. Use the chart elements to format titles, data labels, and legend. You use chart styles to format the color and style of the chart, and use chart filters to show or hide data in the chart. Let's add data labels. Click on chart elements and check data labels. You can adjust the position here, or you go straight to more options. More options will open up the format pane. Click on it. Let's drag that closer. To use keyboard shortcuts to open the format pane, click on the chart and press Ctrl and 1. If you want the labels to contain specific values, you can check this and create a link to the cells right here. I want the labels to show the percentage of each slice. So I'm going to check this. I don't want it to show the values. So I'll check value and check category name. So I can go ahead and delete this. Then I'll adjust the position to outside end. We're almost done. For the chart title, click on it and make it equal to the title right here. Click enter. Let's change the color on the chart styles. To draw attention to an individual slice, double click on it and drag it out. You can also adjust it under point explosion. This can also be done for all the slices. I'll return this to 0. To change the perspective of the chart, you can change the angle right here. That's it on 2D pie chart. Let's move on to donut pie chart. To create a donut pie chart, repeat the same process we used for the 2D pie chart. You would only have to select the donut pie chart instead of the 2D pie chart. However, I'll just change the chart type directly so I can just highlight the differences between the two. Right mouse click on the chart, change series chart type, go to pie and select donut pie chart. Click OK. In the format pane, you can rotate the angle of the chart, and you can also draw emphasis to an individual slice or the entire chart. You can adjust the whole size here. That's it, guys. Let's move on to the 3D pie chart. Let's repeat the same process. Right mouse click, change chart type, select the 3D pie chart, and click OK. Now click the plot area to bring up the 3D effects option. Under Effect, let's click on 3D rotation and click on default rotation. This is the default appearance of the 3D chart when it's created. You can make adjustments to the rotation here. I'll change the X to 40, Y to 40 as well. I'll leave the perspective as is. To draw attention to an individual slice, double click on it and drag it out. This can also be done under the series options, point explosion. I'll take this back to 0. That's all, guys. Let's move on to the pie of pie. Right mouse click and change chart type. Select pie of pie. Click OK. Now the pie of pie allows you to show some values in a secondary pie, and you can make adjustments to this in the format pane. So just click on it, go to series options. You can split series by position value, percentage value, or you make a custom split. I'm going to split it by position. I want the values displayed in the secondary pie to be the last two on the list. To expand the pie or draw attention to an individual slice, you can use the pie explosion. To change the width between the charts, you can use this. You can also adjust the size of the secondary pie here. Let's change the position of the data labels. That's it on pie of pie. Now to change this to bar of pie, just right mouse click, change series chart type, and select the bar of pie. Click OK. The only difference between the pie of pie and the bar of pie is that the secondary chart is a stacked column chart. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it useful. Please subscribe, share, and hit the like button below.